Here you guys are going to see me doing a simmer pot. I use these when I have anxiety and I just want to cleanse the aura of my house, get it to feel more brighter, more, cleansed. I like to start out with cinnamon always. This seems to be what I always pick up first. Cinnamon is amazing. Next, we're going in with some thyme leaves. This combination you're going to see in this simmer pot makes for an interesting smell. It is a nice smell, however. Just sprinkle it until your ancestors say you're done. That's what I do. Next, we have ginger, which is also very good. I wish I had fresh ginger root for this, but I didn't have any, so I improvised with powder. Next, we have the good old basil leaves. I love basil. It is one of my favorite herbs. Next, we have bay leaves. I usually write my intentions on the bay leaves and then put them in the simmer pot. And this is going to be what you're seeing me doing right now. It's pretty hard to write on these with a pen. I tried to find a marker, but I wasn't successful. That one said safety on it because I have been having a little anxiety about our safety on our trip and just needed to find some clarity. That one says health. Some of us have been kind of unhealthy lately. I've had this allergy thing going on for literal months, since March. And as always, my sugar, it's bad. That one said clarity. Always ask for more clarity. What you see next is lemons. One of my favorite ingredients in a good simmer pot is lemons. Just gotta get something to cut them with. And have you ever noticed when you cut a lemon, it looks like a little sunburst? Lemon is good for happiness. It's like a little burst of sunshine. It's good for so many things, digestion, cleaning. It's amazing. What you see me doing here is trying to wave a little bit of this steam into my face, inhale it, and make use of all the great ingredients in this simmer pot. Not only is this simmer pot very fragrant, but look how beautiful it is. Look at all those colors. It's amazing. You need to try it, guys.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.